We're doing stockings today. Okay, so tear into it.
Okay, son. Let's just see what Mama got in here. Oh,
Probably a spider or something.
Oh, ain't that cool?
Is that yours or mine? Is that your stocking or my stocking?
That's mine.
Is yours stocking?
Uh-huh.
Could be my stocking. I don't know.
No, this one's mine.
I know.
I can remember Andy telling me. Oh, goody, goody. I
Oh, it's
like
probably
them
just candy.
too. Ain't that good candy? Can that little gumball and zing zing?
That one was upstairs.
Ain't that good? I don't keep them. Look at here, Mama got here, Buster.
Whatever spider is, my bug in there. Bug in there.
No.
Ah!
No.
Or prank.
Oh,
More pranks or something.
I like them too. Oh, that's good. I like that. I like all
Like candy in there, huh?
Oh, good. I got something to snap on now. And the Santa Claus
Oh,
and
it's just
snowman.
candy.
I like everything I got.
Ooh.
Yeah. Look there, y'all got me Santa Claus and snowman.
Is that it?
There.
That can't be all of it, can it?
Yes, that's plenty.
Mom, is there more in there?
No, it's all in one.
No, is there any more in the stocking?
No, everything's gone, Don.
Oh,
Oh, maybe one more.
I have to get those containers. Randy wants to get the containers back.
I know. Oh, little Santa Claus. Got two Santa Clauses. And I got that. You can take that home. I'll put it in the box.
You do my stocking next.
I'll put these in my bedroom.
It's my turn.
Just a minute. You take these back home to jar for next year.
Come then.
Triangle place put them. Oh, I got some other Santa Claus.
What? Oh.
Oh, that's a penguin. Oh.
Tons more candy. It's my turn next. About the same stuff. Candy.
What
Awesome.
got in there? Goes deep.
Yeah.
They make them. I got a lot of good stuff. I like that little pinball machine. It's so good.
What?
That little candy cane so good.
Oh, thanks.
That's so good. That's good. That's good. That's good. I like that little pinball machine. That's too good. And my candy thing, that's too good. Here, take this way, Joe. That's so cool. Get back. Get your mama. That is so cool.
More video. It's a video. It's a video.
Ain't that cool?
More video. Yeah.
That cool, good?
It's video. Video.
Okay.
It's my turn. My stocking next.
Okay.
I'm on.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to rush you.
Put
No.
these in a sack. I mine for tomorrow. You take that, put this in the bag so you can take home.
I put my bedroom. I have those containers too.
Yeah.
Put those containers.
Get in there, take home.
That's broken. Let's hold a little crap. Put in the bag.
Put in here.
That
You're not going to keep that?
box?
Yeah.
I'll see what Randy wants to do with it.
It's up to you to do what you want to.
No, it's still Randy's. That's what you gotta
Put
do.
that in your sack and take it home.
All right.
The rest I put home. Don't forget it, son.
Don't forget that I put my bags. It's my.
I'll put this in my bedroom.
What are you doing? It's my turn. It's my start. I'm stocking. Here.
Can't put this in my bedroom. Nobody's going to get that.
Boop. Take it. Wait for I want to eat my shirts. You want any more presents in here? Snow globe. One more thing I gotta do. I got some awesome long sleeve t-shirts and an awesome dress shirt. Oh, nice.
Oh, I got these too, Joe. These are yours
What?
too. You
More?
forgot these. Here they go. These are yours. I forgot them for you.
Oh, good. I'm gonna open them up. More candy. Okay, let's open them up then. Come on. All right. That's my stockings. Come on. What are you doing in here? Phone rings. It's excellent. Excellent. Good stuff. Wow, that's fantastic.
Big Buster. No, you don't.
Look, I found a stocking. Oh,
Whoops. I gotta get medicine, Joe, some more medicine.
not yet. Come here.
You like what I got you so
Yep.
far?
Yeah, okay. Remember the sides?
Okay.
The sides.
Oh, do something beside that. Got plenty of the tree. Let's see.
What am I doing this way? I'm doing this thing.
Well, no, but go back over here. It's got, see, I like it over here. It's got better. It's got like better background.
I was still stocking.
Go back. Scoot back. Get in the middle there. Over that way. Whoa, right there.
Good.
Got it.
Got some stuff in it. Santa Claus
Scoot
came.
back.
I am.
Okay.
Okay. Santa Claus came. Got some full of something. Hope it's not cold. I'm a good kid.
And you scoot back because it's going. It's getting blurry.
Let's go back. Can you scoot any farther?
Hurry up.
Okay,
That's good. Get back, Joe.
You get it.
I got it. I told you.
You get it.
I got it. Hurry up. Going in.
M&M's, Hershey's.
Going in and out, in and out.
What?
The movie's going in and out.
What are you doing that for?
Hurry up, I'm tired.
Hey, you getting it?
I got it, just hurry up. You take too long.
I'm sorry to show me. There's some Slim Jims here. Oh.
Hurry up.
Slim Jim. Dare show me what I got on YouTube.
Okay, I don't, whatever.
You got it? See?
Yes, son. Oh my gosh.
Something you got too.
Oh, they're cute.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
You got it?
Yes, I did.
Good.
Yes, I did. That's so good.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, wow.
Get it?
Tootsie Rolls.
You got it?
Yes, coot.
You got the shot?
I got it.
More candy. It's like you got.
Indeed. I got it.
Got it?
Yes, I do. Yes, I got it, boo-boo.
More candy. Just more candy.
Okay, boo-boo.
Cool. For 5,000 bucks.
Wow.
We're still ain't done yet.
Okay.
We ain't done yet. More. Remember some more stuff. More candy.
Put it all together. And that's that, and you're done.
Oh, more Tootsie Rolls. Another one. Another Tootsie Rolls. More Tootsie Rolls.
Yeah. You had that for a while, huh, Joe?
Yeah, more Tootsie Rolls.
Okay.
Getting the shot.
I got it.
More Is it again Hershey's candy again? Hershey's candy again. Two of them. Got it?
I got it, Joe.
Got it?
Oh, yeah.
You got it?
Two candy canes.
Same thing.
Oh, my God.
Something else.
Oh, yeah, I forgot that one. Something you always like to do.
Notepad?
You got it.
Another notepad.
Got you another notepad. Well, I forgot, boo-boo.
Another notepad.
There you go, boo-boo. You got it, boo-boo.
Got it?
I got it, boo-boo.
Uh,
Okay. Now I got it. Oh, I gotta put this one up. This is mine. Let me put mine in this nice box.
my candy's right there. Come on.
I'll put mine.
That's all we got.
Now, we had a great, great Christmas. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Come a lot over here. There's eating food and food right there. There's eating food. Socks.
Put yours in your sack, Joe, so you won't forget, baby.
And these containers.
Huh?
And these containers
Put
right.
your containers in the bedroom.
My containers. I have my containers back from Randy. My arm.
Huh?
Those containers I have. Put those containers back.
They're in the bedroom, on the shelf in there.
Okay.
I saved them for you, of course.
See you later. See you next year, folks. See you next year. Have a
That's right.
See you next year, folks.
Ho, 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 Merry Christmas.
Okay, see you next year, folks. Bye. See you next year, folks. Bye.
Bye.
Remember,
Bye, yeah.
remember to subscribe.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
See ya.
Remember, people, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like my channel, smash that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Joe Burk YouTube channel. Please subscribe. See you next year. Bye.
Oh my gosh, I really don't need to know what I'm doing.